Do you want to make instant $27 commissions over and over again? If so, check out the automated Cash App system. Link below. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, we talking about network marketing, right? And why most people do fail when it comes to making money with network marketing or MLM, whatever you want to call it, multi-level marketing. And I'm doing this because there's a lot of videos out there, and a lot of people call network marketing a scam and this and that. A lot of people, then you got other people that like, yo, I make this much money, and people actually promoting network marketing companies. But you got some people over here like, dude, we make $50,000 a month. You got these people over here like, dude, network marketing is a complete waste of time. It's a complete scam, right? So what is the truth in my opinion? Now, for somebody who's been doing making money online for 13 years now, it's like I've been involved in several network marketing companies. I'm very familiar with this. So the truth is, yes, network marketing does have its what do you call it? A little bit of skepticism to it, right? Just because of some of the companies out there have been shady companies. Not necessarily the business model is that shady, but yes, there have been shady companies out there with very shady products, which has overall gave network marketing a bad name, right? But truthfully, let's just keep it real. Like, what network marketing pretty much is you're recruiting people to sell something at a, I would say, more than higher price than you can buy at other places. And a lot of people hate that because they're like, oh, they're say for example you're selling vitamins, right? And the vitamin that you're selling in your network marketing company, just say it's you're selling it for $40 a bottle. But this product, there's a very similar product that you can get on Amazon for say $25, right? So you're gonna be like, man, why would I even promote this? Why would I even do this when people could get it $15 cheaper somewhere else? Or I can get this product $15 somewhere else. But if you think about it, in defense of network marketing, like, you could do that with anything. Let's be real. When you go to the grocery store, right, and you have like the name brand potato chips versus the store brand potato chips, right? The whatever the big company chips might be like $5 for a bag, right? Barbecue chips, I love barbecue, but it might be $5 for that bag, or you could get the generic store brand for $3. And a lot of people, check it out, a lot of people, they'll buy the $5 bag knowing it really ain't that much of a difference as far as taste or just what it is. They'll buy the $5 bag just because they feel like they're the better, because they're paying more for it. It's better, or whatever the reason. And there's also a lot of people that's gonna buy the $3 bag, right? The non-name brand. So stuff like that happens, right? So when people down network marketing, and they say, well, because the products are garbage. Some products are garbage, but there are network marketing companies out there who actually have good products. They're still going to be somewhat, in my opinion, overpriced, right? So if that's all it is, right? Still, why do most people fail? Because if you're saying, network marketing, has overpriced products, blah blah, but people still make money with it. These products still can be sold. So why do most people fail? Here's the truth, in my opinion. Most people, when they get sold on being in network marketing or getting into it, they're getting sold on the idea of it being super easy, right? And which is not. But the other thing is, to me, people don't realize that you have to be somewhat of a salesperson. You have to. And I know a lot of network marketing companies, they don't promote that. They make it sound like it's just like, just do it. You just tell your friend, and then your friend tell his friend, and then his friend will tell her friend, and then you'll be a millionaire. So your average person will be like, oh, psh, dope. I'm signing up. What do I do? Give me my packet. What I need? $500? Let's go. Let's get it. And once they get involved, 2 weeks go by, because you get that initial, that first week or two, you just hype on, you got your own business and you got these products, so you're taking the products, so you're excited. And then once it kick in, like, wait a minute, I reached out to 4 people, none of my family members got nothing yet, and none of my friends got nothing yet. This is a scam, right? But here's the thing, you gotta be somewhat of a salesperson, right? And the other thing was not getting focused on, which is saying they go hand in hand, but you have to be seen, right? You have to be seen. And I think this is why, in my opinion, the 95%, 98% of people that try network marketing fail, because honestly, they're not really promoting it. It's for real. Because as whack as some of these companies are, and these products are, let's be real, there are people making money with network marketing. There are people making money with it. Not a lot. And I think, a lot of people don't really go hard as they should when it comes to, selling the products and recruiting people to their network marketing teams, right? So one thing that I would say, if you're getting into network marketing and you want to try it, do I highly recommend it that you get into network marketing? Not really. I've done several videos on it before. Like I said, the only way you should get into network marketing company is if whatever the product is or service, if it is a good quality product and you can make a living strictly off of selling that product, right? If the product, you can actually make a nice living off just selling that, and the network marketing company is not based off of you recruiting 5,000 people, then give it a shot. Because let the money come from the product, and then if you want to build a team and that builds your income, great. The problem with a lot of network marketing companies is they base off of all of your income on just recruit people, just recruit. And you're like, what about the product? Don't worry about the product, just recruit. And it shouldn't be like that, in my opinion. So if you want to get into network marketing, try to find something that you really enjoy, the product's good, and it's something that you can just sell the product if you want and make a nice income. All right, now, with that being said, so if you get involved with it, this is what I highly suggest. Be seen on a regular basis, and that right now is mainly social media, right? You have to get out there, and one thing that you can do with social media, and I recommend people doing, is invest in some sort of auto poster. All right, there's several of them out there. I will put a link to one. It's called Crowdfire. You can actually start with this absolutely free if you want, and then you can advance to like a $10 a month plan if you want. But why I say you need to get some sort of auto poster is it allows you to take some time out of your day, maybe on the weekend or Monday, whenever you feel free, take a couple hours out your day, and you set all of your marketing posts, all of your content based around your network marketing business opportunity, and you schedule them all out, right? You want to be strategic with it. You know what I'm saying? You don't want just all you post is join my company. We have the best vitamins. Join my company. We have the best CBD, whatever, right? Nah, you want to mix it up, right? You want to mix it up, but you want to be seen, right? You have to be seen on a regular basis, because the thing with network marketing, guys, and my take on it is, the only way you really gonna be successful, really with anything with this internet stuff, but especially with network marketing, you don't want to be the chaser. You want to be the one being chased. So you want to create content and put it out on a regular basis that makes people want to come to you. You know the old saying, which is true. People love to buy but hate to be sold, right? They hate being sold. It's just a fact. It's just the way it is. So that's what you want to do. But the problem with it is most people, they're like, yeah, that's cool. Yeah, I got it. They'll post something on Monday and won't post nothing else again until Friday, maybe. And then they're like, man, my business is slow, man. This network marketing thing is whack. Because you need to be grinding, especially with network marketing. Because you need to be seen constantly. So you want to have scheduled at least, 5 days out the week, 6 days out the week. You want to have some sort of post related to either directly or indirectly related to your business opportunity. So what I mean is, you don't want to post stuff constantly like, oh, Mike, join my business, right? You want to have a post in the morning, ask a question. Hey guys, what's your favorite morning TV show? Get people engaging, right? With your profile. Get people engaged. And then that night, you want to say something like, oh, just took my CBD. I love this CBD. Boom. That's another post. That's it. Don't, my company. Now Tuesday, you might do the same thing. Wednesday, you might want to be like, hey, Wednesday morning, be like, yo, good morning, ask some silly question or make some sort of statement, right? And then later that afternoon, hey guys, I'm looking for people, anybody interested in building their own business, private message me, only if you're interested, and leave it alone, right? You want people messaging you. You know what I'm saying? You want people contacting you about your opportunity. That's the best way to do it. Because the whole theory of you just private messaging people out the blue, that just, to me, that really don't work a lot. It can, but it can be annoying. You know what I'm saying? So, guys, if you're serious about network marketing and you're really into it, you got to be seen on a regular basis. If you putting out content constantly, think about it. How many times you seen something just whack, whatever it is, and it sells? And a big reason is because it's probably being constantly seen, it's constantly being promoted, and it's gonna sell. The wackest stuff will sell, but you have to be committed and you have to be consistent. You know what I'm saying? It's in a day, it's about to be 2021. So when you're watching this video, it might be 2021, new year, new opportunities. If you're serious about this, grind. Get you some sort of auto poster, scheduler. And really, I'm saying this for network marketing, but you can use it for whatever you're doing. If you're promoting affiliate product, you're promoting your own products, you're doing network marketing, you're doing music, you're an artist, you're a freelancer, get you an auto poster and be seen on a regular basis, right? Be seen on a regular basis, all right? So, guys, hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, if you can't find your own auto poster, you can check out Crowdfire. You can start using that today for free, guys. All your social media accounts you can hook up and get scheduled out your posts and be good to go. All right. It's a long video. Be sure to subscribe. Till next time. Peace. If you're not living your life like a boss, then click the link above or below this video and find out why you should definitely have your own home business and how easy it is to start one. See you on the other side.